What's up, everybody? Tonight I'm going to show you how to make perfect bacon every time. So, cheers, and let's cook. Behind me, I got my oven preheating to 425 degrees. I have 1 pound of thick cut bacon. I'm just going to line that out onto a sheet tray that I line with parchment paper, leaving a little space in between each piece. Our bacon's all panned up and our oven's at temp. So now I'm going to go into the oven for 15 minutes and then I'm going to spin my pan and go for 8 more minutes. And that is how you make perfect bacon every time. It's evenly cooked, you got very little cleanup, very little mess. Don't forget, pour that fat off and cook with it. Great stuff to cook with. Guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe. Also, the recipe is written in the description right below the video. Cheers, and I'll see you next time.